same idea. As you go through, now there's more fractions. And as you look, you have a value from a positive log is a factor in the numerator, from a positive factor in the numerator, from a negative factor in the denominator. So as you look at this, you have a common log with both numerator and denominator. So I take this, move it up, so I get x to the 1/2, my y to the power of 9, and then here my 5/6 gets moved, z to the 5/6, again, because it came from a negative log, is a factor in the denominator. So this is an acceptable form here. Or if you wanted to write it in radical form, you could write the square root of x times y to the 9th all over here. Our nth root is a 6, so this would be 6th root of z to the 5th. And if you were writing it in this form, the entry would look like the following. You would write log and then in parentheses, oops, I'll enter how you would enter it on the computer. Okay, so you'd write log and then in parentheses square root of x, y to the 9th. Now, you can put a separate set of grouping symbols around this, or you can leave it. If it previews this, it would write the square root of x out front, and then the y to the 9th would be the only part of the fraction. So to make it look like this fraction, you might want to put a separate set of grouping symbols here, but you don't need to. Right? And then divide by, but the denominator here, you have this 6th root, so you would type root 6, identify what the nth root is, and then in parentheses the value inside there, z to the 5th. We'd close off our power, but then we're going to close off our denominator as well. And so this would be the entry, keystroke entry. Okay. Or once again, you can use the equation editor if that's easier for you to see how it all works out.